It's Raymond Jam 1000 here. Just got back from Wasaga. Finished playing some Reball today. Lots of fun. Yeah, so I thought I'd do a couple videos about me playing. I used some methods. I had one. It was just, me and the snake, and the ref was filming it. It was pretty cool. I had one which was like a mask mount. My friend made it for me. He's a really great guy. Check out his channel, Northwood Rangers. That's our team. Or Tom Pad 01. I'll leave both those channels in the description below. Yeah, we played some reincarnation matches. We played some team death matches, all that kind of stuff. So, alright, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy this.
What?
Much for run.
I was looking.
Okay, you run, touch the bus, you touch it, you come back and do it again.
Okay.
Just keep going.
But if you get shot while you're running, it doesn't
Yeah,
count.
if you get shot while you're running, you go back and then try
But
again.
if you get shot, if you like touch it and then you get shot, it's
This was like $40. I got it used, basically.
Oh.
They're like 70 new. Huh?
Oh.
Yeah, it's just like my friend made a mount for it. Cheaper than a GoPro.
Number 20, as many points for your team as possible. Go! 1 point for the match side. They got 2 points. Once they touch side, don't shoot them. Let your dad let them run back.
Heads up. Huh? Okay.
Come on, put it outside. They have to get some points.
Are you alright, man?
Yeah.
What happened?
From our team.
Where'd you get hit? You okay though?
Yeah.
Alright. Just tough through it, you'll be good. Come on guys, let's go touch that Humvee.
Let's go, guys. Let's go to 115. You guys only have 1 point. That's right from the snake. There's another point for the match side. Remember guys, it's reincarnation. If you guys get shot, you run back, touch up, go again. That player coming out. Good job. Remember, guys, you're allowed up to the 75 line, so don't be scared to go for a little move. I only hear one gun firing right now. Oh, there's two. Let's go, guys. You're allowed up to the 75 line. Get out of those back bunkers, start moving. We've had two people try and run the field so far. That player coming out of the Hummer. Alright guys, I'm going to put a time limit on this. We're ready to go. 3 minutes. 3 minutes in this game, guys. Still got lots of time though. Two minutes, guys. 2 minutes left. That player coming out. Time's winding down, guys. That player coming out snake. Try Garrett. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Let's go. 1 minute left. I checked him earlier. It's fine. I checked him earlier. It's fine. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds.
Don't talk. Okay.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last game, guys. Game over.
Je trouve qu'il a l'air jeune pour jouer au Paintball. T'as pas vu? Il a l'air jeune.
I'll be staying here for a little bit.
Non, il n'y a pas du dos, quoi. Oh, ben là.
I'm gonna push up center.
Wait, are we going right to that double one, W or series?
I don't know in all honesty. Kinda just figuring it out.
Doesn't matter how you get the ball over, you can shoot it, you can kick it, you can throw it. I don't care how you do it. Get it on some part of the side. Come on, man, like this.
Is it reincarnation? Is it reincarnation? Okay.
Remember guys, you got this shot. Just run back, touch up the ball again. Just remember guys, just go across the half. Get your side of the half. Somebody's gonna get that ball over, guys.